Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you have a new report with a data source displayed in the report design view, you will then need to place fields from the data source into the desired sections of the report in order to display the data. You use the Field Explorer that appears at the right side of the design view to add data fields to the report from the connected data source. In the Field Explorer, we actually have a few different ways that we can add data fields to the report. First off, we need to display the data fields from the associated table or data source. Click the small plus sign next to the Database Fields icon to display the table or tables in the underlying data source. Click the small plus sign next to the name of the table whose data fields you wish to access. The fields of the table will then be displayed. You can add one of the displayed fields by selecting the name of the field that you wish to add to the report from the Field Explorer and then clicking the Insert Fields button in the toolbar at the top of the Field Explorer window. You can then click into the report section where you wish to place the field. Oftentimes, this will be in the Details section. Another way to add fields is to click and drag the field that you wish to add to the report from the Field Explorer into the desired section of the report. You can also add fields by double-clicking on the name of the field to add in the Field Explorer and then single-clicking into the place in the report where you wish the field to be displayed. Alternately, you can add fields by selecting the name of the field to add within the Field Explorer and then pressing Enter on your keyboard. You can then click into the section of the report where you want the field's data to be displayed. You can also simply right-click on the name of a field which you'd like to add to the report, and then simply choose the Insert to Report from the pop-up command that appears, and then click into the area in the report where you want to insert the field. Most of the time, the data fields from the table will be placed into the Details section of the report. And note that as you place fields into this section of the report, Crystal Reports will add a text header for each field into the page header section. That way, when the report is previewed, you will see the label for each column of data at the top of the page and all of the associated data, once per record, in the data source displayed down the page under the label. To remove a field that you've added to a report, click on the actual field that you inserted, not the field header, in order to select it first. Then you can simply press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove it from the report design view. Notice that deleting the field also deletes the field header that was also automatically added as well. However, other kinds of adjustments, such as changes to the size of the section, will need to be made by hand.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.